Ebu, I will tell you now where they go. I pay you the money last week ago. Where they go now? Oh, I swear to God, oh. If you don't bring my money, I'ma tell you. Tell the people they go give me my money. Who you talking to? Do you know who you talking to? Oh, do you know who you talking to, Ebu?
Hey, what's up, sir?
Ebu, I go beg you now, oh. I go beg you for two. I go tell the people. Who are you? Why is he here? Are you doing your job?
Back up, Bo. Back up.
Are you doing your... Do you want me to fire you? Get this man.
No, sir. Excuse me.
Yes.
Gotta talk to him. Hey!
Wait,
what are you doing?
Wait a minute.
I am doing my job. Get off me.
Wait.
Gotta talk to the...
Let him come. Come.
Yes, sir.
Come here.
What is the matter with you?
I say come here. What do you want? What is your problem?
I need some money. I'm broke. I need to pay the bills. You the president?
Do I look like the money machine? Do you have a job?
Who knows?
I said, do you have a job, oh?
No.
If you don't have no job, then how can I give you money, oh? I don't give money for you.
I need some money to get a job.
So go get a job. I don't have a job for you. I'm the president.
I don't have any money to get a job.
Is that my problem?
It should be. You're the president.
No, I'm just the president. My job is not to give you my job is not to give you job.
So what do you suggest I do?
I don't know.
You don't know.
What is your name?
John.
You don't sound like African. This is African country. You sound like you from Obama there. He's black, you black. Talk to him, you brothers. You might know him. No? No money for you. Go, look your clothes, look my clothes. I'm the president here. You look better than me. How can I give you money?
Because I'm visiting here.
You idiot Americans, all you lazy, all you want money. This
lazy?
Money. Go. I know what you can. Yes.
We're lazy.
All you American lazy.
What do you do? Just sit here and do nothing.
I do job. Your president don't do the job I do, so you need to go. Take this madman out of my side.
Madman? I'm not mad.
Take him out.
What are you talking about, man?
He's losing his temper.
What you saying? What?
Idiot. Take him out,
man. Better get off.
Otherwise, no check for you. If he come back, no check for you too.
Get off me. Boy, I will box you.
Is he gone?
Yes, sir.
He better not come back. I'm telling you, if he come back, you fire.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Now, where is my telephone? I told you not to put my telephone in your pocket. What's wrong with you? You trying to take it to your house?
No, sir.
I know you're trying to feed your children, but don't take my phone and sell it.
Yes, sir.
You poor bastard.